Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see Street View in Google Maps. So at first, just go to the Google Maps app. Make sure it is updated. Now just go to that place where you want to see the Street View. Just like I'm going here. After going here you can see there is an icon in the upper right side. Click on that icon. After clicking this icon, here you can see in the bottom left side Street View option. Click on it. After just clicking on it, here you can see there are blue lines in the street. Wherever the blue lines is, just click on it and you can see the Street View. After clicking on it, here you can see the Street View. Now just zoom it. Now here you can see you can just go back and in front of you, left and right, and you can see the Street View in Google Maps. So guys, that's how you can see Street View in Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.